Remarkably mini, the mini-sized, mega-capable DJI Mini 3 Pro is just as powerful as it is portable. Weighing less than 249 grams and with upgraded safety features, it's not only regulation-friendly, it's also the safest in its series. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight.